Welcome to the M&O TheoryFix question and answer catch-up series. Missed our TikTok live? Don't worry. This is your official catch-up replay. Learn at your own pace with our Viper method. And if you're new, welcome aboard. Now, let's dive in.
So stop. We are going a traffic light. You must stop and wait behind the line. Good.
When may you sound your vehicle's horn? To attract a friend's attention, to give you right of way, to make slower drivers move over, to warn others of your presence.
Yes, guys. We got 72 people in the house. Yes, Kat saying D. Shamun is saying A. I'm seeing mixed answer. Triple M is saying D. I'm seeing triple answers. A, D. When may you sound your horn? When may you sound your horn? Someone is saying A and the other one saying D. God, we sound your horn to warn others of your presence. Why do you sound your horn to warn others of your presence? Could someone tell me why? Why do we sound our horn to warn others of our presence? Why do we sound our horn, guys? Why do we sound our horn? To let them know of our presence. Why? Why? What happened? In order to avoid what? If you sound your horn for people to know about your presence, like, oh, you're just sounding on to them to let you know they're there. Why? What happened? Okay. Be aware of your presence, okay? Because some people might be on the phone. Yeah, why? It could be to avoid. That is the word I want us to know. Thank you, lovely. Thank you. That is the key word I want us to avoid accidents. Okay? Let's be reversing and is not concentrating like Robert said. He's on the phone, right? You need to let them know I'm there. Let's avoid these accidents. Lovely. Lovely. Thank you so much, lovely, for that.
What does this sign mean? Motorway contra flow system ahead. Two-way traffic crosses a one-way road. Traffic approaching you has priority. Two-way traffic straight ahead.
Good, good, good. Melody, thanks for joining us. Lovely saying B. One-way traffic. Everybody saying D. Triple M saying B. I'm getting mixed answers there. I'm having D. I'm having B. I'm having D. I'm having B. I'm having C. Lovely. Okay, let me explain, guys. Some of you are getting it wrong. You are driving on the road. Okay? This is the road. And another road going this way. Okay? And another road coming from this way. Okay? So, you are coming from this direction. This is one-way direction. One way. This is one way, okay? This is one way. And when you get to this sign, to this junction, there will be this sign here. This sign will be here. So this vehicle is going this way, and this vehicle is going this way. Okay? Do you understand it now? This is one way. Okay, so this driver is coming this way. There will be this sign and this junction telling us this is two-way road. Okay, so this one now is called straight ahead. All right, so it's called straight ahead. All right, so if this road is like this, guys, could someone tell me what is it for? Sorry about that, I'm not good at this drawing. Yeah, what is this? Can you tell me what this is for? What is this one? Two-way, two-way, crossway, one way. One way, two-way traffic cross. Yeah, draw it well. Okay, sorry. I'll draw it well again. If it's like this, this one's 1, this one is 2. So this one is, let me do it, A, B, C, D. So which one is this one? With this answer, which one is this, guys? Is it A, B, C, D? Which one is number 2? Good. Two-way cross ahead. Lovely. Lovely students. Thank you so much, lovely students. Yeah. Good. Good. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the share, guys. Thank you for the gift. Let's continue to power tab. Let's continue to power tab. Yeah. Good. Thank you. Lovely. Lovely. So, which one is this number 2? Which is the question? Yeah. So, straight ahead. Which one is it? Which one you got? That's the B. Okay. Lovely.
Two-way traffic straight ahead.
So that is the question answer. Two-way traffic straight ahead. Okay. If you get it wrong, guys, correct yourself. All right. That's the correct answer. Two-way traffic straight ahead. Okay. If you are struggling with the sign, guys, you want to join the masterclass, DM me and say masterclass. Okay. All right. We're having a class on Sunday. If you want to join, it's just £20 for the whole month. Just send me DM and say masterclass. Okay, I will send you the details. You will learn more details. What about the second one? Which second one? The second one. I can't remember the second one. It's just £20 for the month. You learn all the categories in 4 weeks. People are passing, guys. It's just £20. The drawing is not clear. Okay. We just answered it now, guys. Sorry about that. I like to explain to other people. I'm sorry about the drawing. Okay. This is a triangle like this one. The arrow is like this. The arrow is like this. Okay. Now, this one saying traffic straight ahead. This is the answer. Okay. And this one is for this. Is that clear now? Robert, is that clear now? Could you confirm this? Is that clear now? Do you understand it now? Is that clear now, guys? Good. Thank you so much. Sorry about my drawing. Let's move on.
What should you do when you're approaching traffic lights that have red and amber showing together? Wait for the green light. Stop because the lights are changing to red. Pass the lights if the road is clear. Take care because there's a fault with the lights.
Yes. Out of 3 saying A, customer saying A. Thanks for following. Melody is saying A. I'm not saying thanks for sharing the like. Thank you so much for following. And see, Light is saying A. Everyone is saying A with confidence. I'm interested in masterclass. Yeah, just send me a DM. Send me a DM and say masterclass, okay? And I will respond to you after this class. Okay, we're going to teach you all the 14 categories. We're going to teach you how to solve the hazard and perception question. Send me a DM and say masterclass, okay? And I will get in touch with you. Okay, everyone is saying A. How should you approach the traffic lights that showing amber for them? What should you do? How many of us are struggling with the traffic light sign? How many of us are struggling with the traffic lights sign order? If you are struggling, comment 1. If you are struggling, comment 1. If you are struggling with the traffic light sign, comment 1. You don't understand the sequence, comment 1. I will explain to you. It's very simple, okay? Thank you for following. You want to have better understanding of the traffic light sign, just comment 1. It's very simple. Okay, that's what the question is saying here. The traffic light that have been red and amber is very simple, guys. Quick one, that's why in this class I'll quickly take it through. Where is my picture? Okay. How many of us can see this? Can we all see this? So this is how the sequence of the traffic lights. Okay. So what is the red light telling us to do? Could someone tell me, yeah? Could someone tell us what the red light is telling us to do? Are we going to stop at the stop line or we need to go? Good. Go students. Killed saying yes. Shady Show saying yes. Mickey Mouse saying yes. Tejimala saying yes. They're saying stop rather. Good. Lovely. Now, you're driving. This is the traffic light on this one. And you are driving. And you are driving. What is it? You are driving. And it's red. Okay. You stopped. And you're seeing this red and amber coming together. What does red and amber telling you to do? When you see red and amber, I'm going to cover it. I don't want you to read it. Red and amber. Red and amber says you wait. You've been waiting already. You are here. You've waited here. It's on its wait. Good. Yeah, you're still waiting. Yeah, that is the word. Get ready to go. You've been waiting. Get ready to go when you see this one. Okay? So number 2. Number 1, you need to wait. Number 1, you wait. Okay? Number 2, we need to get ready. Good. Now number 3, which we all know what the green is. Okay? Green means go, right? So that's the sequence. Then when we see this one, the amber, what does the amber say? Thank you, Mickey Moore. What does the amber say? Amber is saying to us, get ready to stop. Lovely. That is it. So, okay, thank you so much. Now you have a better understanding of it. Now you are driving. You are driving and you are here. You are here. And you've seen this light. What do you do? A. What do you do? A. Do you go? B. Do you wait? You are here and you see the amber light. What should you do? This is the amber light. Yeah, someone saying B. This is you. And this is the line. And this is amber light. I can see Sweet Demo saying go. Someone saying B. Are you going to wait or go? You are driving and you are almost at the line. Almost at the line, guys. It's the same way of the road crossing. When you're almost the line, very close to the line, guys, you have to go. Okay? You don't wait. Go. Okay? You don't wait. Yes, like a cross line. Go, because you are close to it. Very close. Okay? Very close. But when you are far from it, you have to get ready to stop, like it says. Okay? Yes, unless it is safe. Thank you so much. But when you are doing your practical test, guys, just stop. Don't go. When you are doing your practical test, you have to stop. Okay? When you're closer to it. Good. What does it mean when it's safe? Do you understand when they say when it's safe for you to go? Do you understand it? If you are driving and someone new, you are coming behind, okay? So all you need to do is to look at your back at the center mirror and see if when you stop, it's going to affect the vehicle behind you. Okay, if not, if it's going to affect, just go. Okay, lovely. Thank you. Let's carry on.
Take care because there's a fault with the lights.
So remember, take care. Wait for the green lights. That's the correct answer, guys. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the like. Finishing soon.
If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your next question in the comments. Watch the next video now to stay on track. Each one gets you closer to passing your test.